Hi, I'm Patrick Call and I'm here today to talk about how you disable Firefox and restore Safari as your default internet browser. So you may have noticed sometimes if you click on a link in an email, for example, it opens up Firefox and you don't want to use Firefox, you want to use Safari, or vice versa. The same thing applies here. When you want to choose your default browser, you're going to go to the preferences for that browser. In this case, I'm going to use Safari. Once we're in Safari, we want to come up to the Safari menu and we want to go to our preferences. The preferences are under the Safari menu there. Or you can use Command Comma, will take you there. Once you're in your preferences, you want to go to General and then right at the top, Default Web Browser. Right here it's selected as Safari, but you'll see here I could select any of these other browsers and make those my default. And that is basically how you disable Firefox and restore Safari as your default browser. I'm Patrick Call. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.